is my next video. This is how to put this together. So the wheels come packaged like this. Just always make sure you have a knife in hand so you can cut the tape all around it. Make sure it comes out. Just make sure you don't try to stab yourself because that would be bad. So you just cut the tape. And my fiance can hold this.
Wow.
And then these are what the wheels look like. They're actually pretty big, which I actually like. And we will show you how to put the back wheel on. So, to put this one on, there's this, which is the drum. I don't know if that's right, but I don't care. And then when you hear that, you know that one's on. So that one's on and secured. So, and then there's a little button in the back. Take the wheel right off. I'm going to show you how to do it again. This right here, pop it in, wait for that, and you're done. I'm going to show you on the other side. Now flip it over and don't ruin that wheel. If you ruin that wheel, I'm going to kill you. No, I'm serious.
No, you ain't killing me.
So I just told Dad that you bought this, and he's like, "Oh, that was very sweet of him." So he asked, just say you bought it. Just say you paid like $600 of it, and I only paid $50.
Next thing is, how's he gonna think I had?
You just say, you did work on your house for 3 days and got $300. Done. Now always make sure your knives are out of reach of kids. So it's the same thing to the other side. Just don't lift it up out of the wheel. The stroller is about 38 pounds, but it's good for moms that have twins. So same thing, this side, this part right here. The, what do you call that part?
Axle.
Yeah, the thing.
Axle.
Whatever. And then you hear that, and you're done. Man, these already came pumped up. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
They already came pumped, which actually saves me the hassle. And then, never try to open a knife with your mouth. Bad idea, peeps. Alright, here. Hold this. Sorry, I don't want to stab you. If I stab my fiance actually might stab me back. And then I'll be in trouble. Actually, I'd probably be in prison for stabbing him. It's called manslaughter. Okay, enough of that. And then this is the front. It's the swivel. And hopefully y'all are gonna have to come over here to see this. Put you guys on the ground. Okay, so you see this white hole right here? This is where the wheel goes in. And then when you hear that, you're in. Swivels into lock. The red thing is the alignment. And then in the back, there's like a button that you can keep it unlocked, or, and then I'll show you what it looks like all put together. Sorry for my hand, everybody. Okay, so this is what it looks like together, and in the next video I'm going to give you guys the review.